Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your music sound muffled on Capcut PC. Okay, here I have created a project on my Capcut PC, and as you can see that I have imported my music to this Capcut project. Then if you want to make your music sound muffled, you're going to add a voice effect to your music or your audio. So you can tap on your audio like this. Then you're gonna click on voice changer. Okay, and here you can select voice builders. And to make your audio sound muffled, I suggest you to select final, lo-fi, or megaphone effect. And I'm going to try it one by one from the final effect. This is the final effect. And for the lo-fi, and the last one, megaphone. Okay, and I think this megaphone effect sounds better, so I'm just going to select this effect. And now let's just take a look at the final result. So I'm going to play the video. Could I be the one you're seeking? Okay, and I guess that's how we can make our music sound muffled on Capcut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.